Me and Ryan Miller are going to pull the fire alarm at McDonald's.
That's a great idea, Jane Fitzgerald. Now let's buckle up.
Okay, now let's get out as fast as we can.
Okay, Jane Fitzgerald.
Wait, what's going on?
Sounds like Jane Fitzgerald and Ryan Miller pulled the fire alarm at McDonald's.
Oh no. This isn't good at all.
Ollie, I'm Scott Kennedy. I'm scared. We need to get out of here quick.
Okay. Jane Fitzgerald. How dare you pull the fire alarm at McDonald's? That's it. You are grounded until you and Shang downgrades his dad's computer to Windows Vista.
Go to your room right now.
Put me down or I'll scream!
With watermelon art.
Ryan Miller. How dare you pull the fire alarm at McDonald's? That's it. You are grounded until Sid Chang punches her dad in the face.
Go to your room right now.
No!